Hello creative ones, hello darling, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. It's the girl House of Mina, it's get styled by Mina. And today guys we'll be learning how to make this headband, this beautiful headband that you can rock on Christmas and that you can add to your mineral business. So guys, let's DIY. So look at it, so beautiful. So these are the things we'll be needing for this project. We'll be needing our Alice band, we'll be needing our accessory, we'll be needing our basic styles, and we'll be needing our glue gum. So I'll be working with two gum, the basic styles on and the glue gum. Your candy gun, working with it too. This Alice band is called padded Alice band. This is a padded Alice band. You can get this at the mineral shop. So like I said earlier, we'll be working with two gum. Yes, I'm working with two gum, the glue gum and the pieces that gum. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you're going to see the reason why I use the two gum. So just take a look at the accessory that we're working with. Take a look at the accessory I'll be working with. So this gum comes in different sizes. So this is 110 ml, and this is a big size. This is big size of the basis 1000. So let's DIY. So I'm going to be placing this. I'll turn it down. This is the back. I think the back, this is tack with fishing line. So I'll be cutting out the fishing line. Be cutting it out. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. I'm going to cut it out. I'll come here again. I will cut it out too. Can you see what we are doing? It's very, very easy to do. So I'm going to be adding the basis 1000 on each of the accessory. I'm going to be adding the basis 1000. So this is my basis 1000. So I'm going to be adding this to it. So I'll be adding this to it. You just see what I will be doing. So I'm going to add this to it. Can you see what we're doing? Can you see? Add more of the pieces 1000 on it. Don't manage the gum, just add to it. I'm going to add more to it. See what we are doing. Can you see? You add to it. See? So that's what I'm doing right now. We add to it. Can you see? I'm going to place this down. So this is the first stage. You're going to add the gum to it. I'll be showing you the reason why I'll be working with two gum. Can you see? I've already had this to it. I'm going to place the second one on it. See what we are doing. Making two. We had another one to it again. Making three. Can you see? I'm going to add another one to it again. We have two, and we had another one to it. We have it making three. So we have it making three. Can you see? So just to show you that this base 6000 is not strong enough. Yeah. So we're going to be working with two glue gum. So making four. Can you see? Making four. Just see what we are doing. It's very easy to do. Just see what we are doing. Can you see? So I've used my hand to press that part just for me to get where I'm going to fix my my accessory to. So I'm going to press just the way we are doing right now. So I'm pressing the four bands together. I'm going to press it together. Can you see? I have to press it with my hand for some minutes. Just see what we are doing. And can you see? Just see, one has fall down. So we're going to be removing it one after the other. I'm going to be removing the accessory. Can you see? I'm removing it. So try to remove it. So I've created that four part. So I've get the center where I'm going to fix it back. So the next thing we'll be working now with our glue gum. We'll be working with our glue gum. So take your glue gum and drop it. See what I'm doing. I'm going to wait that the glue gum is going to be very hot. I think it's hot now. So I'm going to be adding this to it. Just like this. And you see what we're doing? Wow. This is beautiful. I'm going to add to it. So can you see? We have two gum. I'm going to use two gum. So I'm going to be adding this to it again. Just what I'm doing. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So I'm going to be continuing like this, making two. You place it on the Alice band, making three. Can you see? This is the best way for you to design your Alice band, your padded Alice band. So making four right now. I'm going to be placing this on the body of the Alice band, just making four. Sorry, that part is not can you see? We have four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see? Wow. So this is
best way. You can still add more accessory to it. You can make it fuller, you can add up to 6, you can add up to 8. It just depends on what your client paid for. But I'll be making this for, I'll be making it so simple. So can you see the beauty of the Alice band, the padded Alice band with accessory? Can you see? So if you have any question on this video, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. So darlings, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye. It's okay. As of Mina. Bye.